In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT. We'll walk through the overall process step by step so you can quickly go from an idea in text form to a polished diagram without manually dragging shapes around for hours. First, let's talk about what we're trying to achieve. The goal here is to use ChatGPT to generate the structure of a diagram for you. Things like the components, the connections between them, and clear descriptions of each part. Then you'll bring that structure into Draw.io and turn it into a visual diagram with just a bit of formatting and adjustment. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser. Think about the kind of diagram you want. It might be a system architecture, a flowchart, a process map, or even an organizational chart. In the chat, clearly describe what you want to visualize. For example, you might say that you want a flowchart of a user sign-up process or a diagram of a microservice-based application. The clearer your description, the better the output will be. Next, ask ChatGPT to describe this diagram in a structured way that Draw.io can easily follow. A helpful approach is to request a list of nodes and connections. Nodes are your shapes, like user, web app, or database. Connections are the arrows or lines that show how those nodes relate. Specify that you want each node to have a short label and, optionally, a brief description. You can also ask for groupings, such as front-end, back-end, or external services, to keep things organized. Once ChatGPT generates the structure, quickly review it. Make sure all the important components you need are included and that the relationships make sense. If something is missing or unclear, ask ChatGPT to refine or extend the diagram description. It's normal to iterate a couple of times until the structure matches what you have in mind. Now, open Draw.io in your browser. Create a new blank diagram. Start by adding the nodes that ChatGPT listed, using simple shapes like rectangles or circles. Type the labels exactly as described so you can follow along easily. After placing the nodes, draw arrows or lines between them according to the connections in the ChatGPT output. Work from top to bottom or left to right to keep your layout clean. As you connect everything, you can adjust spacing, align shapes, and add colors or grouping boxes to match the categories ChatGPT suggested. When you're done, you'll have a fully visual diagram that was largely designed for you in text and only needed light formatting in Draw.io to bring it to life.